Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean or restore old sets of wheels. So if you guys don't know, these are Ray's Arthur Exchange. These are two-piece welded. If you guys haven't watched my previous video on the vlog of picking these up. So the center caps are in my room. They're getting cleaned up right now, but we're gonna go ahead and then sand these. Or this looks like clear coat damage, but I'm still gonna sand this down either way because I'm planning to wrap the face gray. So overall, everything else looks fine on the outskirts. The lip needs cleaning. It looks like it just needs to be polished up, and then all the scratches can be gone. But it's just the face in general that needs to be fixed. So we see all this brake dust and like grease, dirt, and all debris all build up in here. Even like the weights, 3Ms, double-sided tapes are stuck on there too. So we're gonna go ahead and clean this up. I want to show you guys how I do it. So we could go from this to this. So I did one wheel to see how it turned out. I think I have a different method to get these dirt out, but overall that's not my main concern. My main concern is just mainly the barrel and the hub. Usually this part rusts a little bit more, so I sprayed clear coat on it once after I got all the debris or some of the debris out. So don't expect too much from it, because by the time we took off all the the dirt, like we're down to the bare metal of the material. So it's important to clear coat it so we can prevent it from rusting or anything like that. So let's get right into it. Down to all the excess dirt that's already built up. So you guys can use a metal wire brush. This one's gonna take a little bit longer. It doesn't really reach any of like the crevices or anything like that. So what I suggest that you guys use are these drill bits for metal wiring. So this gets everything out quicker. If you guys have the angle grinder version, it'll be so much more quicker, but I'm going to use the drill where everyone at least has a drill, and then you guys can purchase these for cheap, for like under $10 at Harbor Freight. So alrighty, so far so good on the outer lip of the inner barrel. Now we just need to focus on this inner portion, where this is gonna come off a lot quicker, because if you guys have this position of the metal wire brush, it will get a lot quicker because it gets on the welds, and then the debris under here will tackle it. But this part with the air valve is going to be questionable, but figure this out. So far, the spokes are very difficult to get out with all of this dirt buildup and everything like that. So far, got a little bit right here, some right there, a little bit right there. Get some of this off. We're practically almost done with the back side of the wheel. But the thing is, I'm gonna let the drill rest because it's getting really hot. So Gonna let that rest for sure, and then we're gonna be focusing on the front of the wheel. Okay, we're just gonna be wet sanding the surface, trying to get as even as possible, get some debris out and shit like that. So the wheel is technically all like considered done. So I'm letting it dry in the sun so I can get this thing clear coated. It won't rust, it won't have any other debris on it. But so far this one's already clear coated and looks amazing in the back. Look how shiny that thing is now. And there's the face. This one has been sanded too. So everything's all technically kind of ready for the wrap face. I'm still gonna go with the same color because I don't want to like repaint this because it's gonna be a bitch. Because brake dust does catch on paint easily, so I'd rather just wrap this. So far, luckily for this, just this wheel alone, because I have all four. So I already got done with the first one, and then the second one, I'm still waiting for it to dry before I can start clear coating it. So this is the third wheel I'm working on. By far, this one's the previous owner was trying to clean this up, so he did most of the work for me, except for the residue of the 3M tape and cleaning here, which is it's no biggie for me. And then just gotta do this, and then a little bit more of this around here, and then we're all pretty much set. Dry out, and then 2 wheels today is gonna be accomplished for a clear coat. It's just that last wheel that needs to be clean. I'm gonna save this one for another day. Oh man, I just realized I forgot that one. The front face has to be sand, and this one as well too. God damn it. Clear coat is finally done for this freaking wheel. Now I'm just waiting for that one to dry. Jesus, man, this is a lot of work for just kind of restoring the wheels. By far, look at this one. Almost clean, dude. Almost. Just look at that. Well, that's the end for this video. So even though I have only one left to go, I'm gonna do that another day. I'm just fucking tired from this hard work. Doesn't even look good either way. But so how to do this is basically get a matte wire brush, like I explained in the video, and then you just go ham. Just legit, just go ham. Go around town, trying to get as much residue as best as you can, and then you just clear coat. That's it. So if anything else, hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and peace out.